Hey loves, I'm going to show you how to make these Valentine's jumbo treat cards. And to help you create this even faster, I'm offering these as free templates on my website. If you enjoyed this video, put a heart in the comments. With that being said, let's get started. The size of my cards is 11 by 14. Now, excuse that I have two S's on Valentine, but I corrected that. So on your free template, the spelling is correct. I got these treat boxes at Walmart, and if you look in the Valentine's section, they have heart-shaped treat boxes. I picked up some candy from Dollar Tree, and you can put anything you want in these, not just candy. Now these are repositional posters, which means they have a sticky back. I got them printed at CVS, and sometimes for the 16 by 20 poster, they will offer them for $5, so look out for those sales. You can apply these posters to either a regular poster board or a foam board. I'm using a foam board because I want my card to be thick. After applying, I'm using my pocket knife to carefully cut around my poster. Now we just need one part of the treat box. You can use the top or the bottom. The bottom has a little recycle symbol, so just keep that in mind if you do use the bottom. I decided to use the top in this video. I couldn't remember how wide these treat boxes were, so I measured them, and they are about 7.5 inches. So just keep that in mind, the size of your treat boxes and the size of your card, because you don't want a treat box that's too big for your card. Next is the fun part, stuffing your box with treats. I just arranged them so the treats could be seen, and if you really want to make sure they stay in place, you can use glue dots or tape to secure them in a specific position. If you are still hanging out with me, I really appreciate it, so please drop some hearts in the comments. And also, if you are interested in learning a new skill, I do have some cookie decorating tutorials that you might be interested in, so check those out. Now to secure my treat box down, I'm going to make sure to use glue on each of the four corners and a little bit in the center. I'm not doing it all the way around. And that's it. This card came out adorable, and I will probably find a reason to make these for Easter as well. As always, like, comment, and if you are new here, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and it supports my channel. See you loves next time.